Hello, Showtimers! Today we're unboxing a Corvette Convertible! Yay! This is a 50th anniversary Corvette Convertible ones. New for 2018. And if I compare it on Brian's Corvette Convertible Stingray, I like this one, Brian's, because if you put a iPhone or something under it, the headlights shine. Does that happen to Ryan's car that's real when he's driving it? And if you put most giant iPhone under it and drive on it, that would be crazy. That would be too silly. That's probably not real. So, forget about that. Yeah. Just forget about that thing. Right now, forget about it. Moving on this car, yeah. From Brian, thank you, Brian. It's blue. Corvette is a 1968. Original 16 car, which is over here on the wall. This is the RLC one. Yeah. So, I think you like Corvettes, don't you? And bye-bye, Showtimers! Thanks for this gift.